Hi there, it's Kev from Pro Surface Repair here. We make repairs to all kinds of hard surfaces, chips, scratches, burns, any kind of cosmetic damage to baths, worktops, tiles, UPVC, stone, floors, basically any kind of hard surface we can help with. I've got a jacuzzi bath here, which has sustained some pretty bad damage. Damage here. It's received quite a big bash. Unfortunately, the delivery company aren't taking any responsibility. It's a £900 bath, so it would be a bit of a sore one for the customer. So I'm going to get that repaired for a fraction of the price, and we'll make it good to use again, and make it so that the damage is no longer noticeable. I can do repairs in situ. This one hasn't been installed yet, so a bit of a bonus. I can get right and easily get behind to strengthen it from behind, as well as from the front, and then I'll repair it with a I'll repair it, fill it with a two-part epoxy, and then I'll finish it off with a heavy-duty lacquer, which is specifically made for baths. It'll be colour matched so that it'll be blended in, so it won't be catching to the eye. So yeah, there's quite a lot to get on with here, so I'll get cracking, and I'll show you the finished result in a bit. Okay, so here we are again. You can see that there was quite a lot of damage and cracks and hanging bits, so I had to cut a bit out, dig the channels of the cracks out to give me an area to fill. So I've filled that outer area with epoxy and flattened down. I've also, as I said, it was good I could get good access to the back. I've strengthened from behind as well with filler, so it's really rock solid now. So that is now ready for the final stage, which is I'll be spraying on the heavy duty coloured lacquer. So here we are, the final result. I think you'd be hard pushed to know that there was any damage or a repair carried out. There was quite extensive damage here, cracks heading in all directions, travelling quite far, and some punctures and holes right through the bath. Strengthened here from behind. I dug the cracks out, drilled the end of them to stop any travelling, and filled it out with epoxy, flattened it, and sanded it back, and applied the lacquer finish. It's a £900 jacuzzi bath, so I'm pretty sure the customer is going to be chuffed that she's not going to have to buy a new one.